Ever wished you could automate messages, get instant notifications, or even trigger actions directly from your WhatsApp conversations? Today, we're diving deep into how Zapier can unlock these powerful capabilities, revolutionizing how you engage with your audience. Zapier acts as the bridge, connecting WhatsApp to thousands of other apps, allowing you to build custom automated workflows, or zaps. This means you can send personalized messages, receive real-time updates, and even trigger actions in your other tools based on WhatsApp messages, creating truly seamless experiences. First, ensure you have both a Zapier account and a WhatsApp Business API account set up. Head over to Zapier.com and log and click on Create Zap to get started building your first automation. In the Zap editor, we'll begin by setting up our trigger A circumflex euros. The event that starts the automation. Search for and select WhatsApp as your trigger app. For example, we might choose to trigger a zap whenever a new message is received in WhatsApp. Next, we'll choose the specific trigger event for this tutorial. Let's select New Message. This means our zap will automatically activate every time someone sends you a message on WhatsApp. Now, connect your WhatsApp business account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, Zapier will likely ask you to test the trigger. This ensures it can successfully fetch messages from your WhatsApp. With our trigger set, it's time for the action A circumflex euros. What happens next? Click Continue, and then search for the app you want to connect to. Want to log incoming messages to a Google Sheet, or maybe send an email notification. The possibilities are vast. Let's say we want to log incoming messages to a Google Sheet. We'll select Google Sheets, and then choose the action, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. This means each new WhatsApp message will create a new row in your chosen sheet. Now, the crucial step: mapping. You'll see fields from your WhatsApp message, like sender's number and message content, and fields in your Google Sheet. Drag and drop or select the corresponding fields to ensure the right information goes to the right place. For instance, map the body of the WhatsApp message to a message content column in your sheet. Finally, give your zap a descriptive name, like WhatsApp incoming messages to Google Sheets, and then click Turn on Zap. Congratulations, you've just automated your WhatsApp communications. Imagine the possibilities: automate appointment reminders, send order confirmations, or even collect customer feedback, all powered by WhatsApp and Zapier. Start building your zaps today and experience a new level of customer engagement.